Hello and welcome to another episode of Beacon Wave Science. Do you know something which has the elasticity like a rubber but has strength more than steel? Do you know something which is a good conductor of electricity as well as heat? Can you guess it? The answer is carbon nanotube. In this video, you are going to learn all about carbon nanotube. But before moving towards in this video, I would request you to please subscribe my channel. Carbon nanotubes are tubes made of carbon with diameter typically measured in nanometers. In more general words, carbon nanotubes (CNTs) is essentially a sheet of graphene rolled into a cylinder. Now if you don't know what exactly graphene is a single layer sheet of carbon atom that is bonded together in a repeated pattern of hexagons. This sheet is only one atom thick. Monolayer of graphene stack on top of each other to form graphite. In conventional graphite, the sheet of carbon are stacked on top of one another, allowing them to easily slide over each other. That is why graphite is not hard, but it feels greasy and can be used as a lubricant. Graphene is a two-dimensional material. Now, if we rolled this 2D sheet into a cylinder, then that is known as CNT, carbon nanotubes. CNTs are hollow cylindrical structure. CNTs can have gap at the end which make them look like pill. If you are a chemist, you might be thinking about the hybridization. It has sp2 hybridized carbon atom, just like graphite. Nanotubes generally have a large ratio of length to diameter, which is around 1000. That's why they are considered as a one-dimensional structure. CNTs are generally of two types: single-walled carbon nanotubes (SWCNT) and multiple-wall carbon nanotubes (MWCNT). Single-wall carbon nanotube is a seamless cylinder which consists of only one layer of graphene. It shows impressively unique electrical properties, while the multi-walled carbon nanotube is also cylindrical in shape with multiple concentric layers of graphene composed it. These are comparatively unique structure and variety. Research study has proven that multi-walled carbon nanotubes are remarkably strong than the impressively strong single-walled carbon nanotube. But in drug delivery, single-walled carbon nanotubes are known to be more efficient than multiple-walled carbon nanotube. This is due to the reason that single-walled carbon nanotubes have ultra-high surface area and efficient drug loading capacity. In addition to two different basic structures, there are three different possible types of carbon nanotubes. These three different types of carbon nanotubes are armchair carbon nanotubes, zigzag carbon nanotubes, and chiral carbon nanotubes. The difference in these types of carbon nanotubes are created depending upon how the graphene sheet is rolled up during its creation process. Zigzag form by horizontal fold, while armchair form by vertical folding of graphene sheet. Now, after knowing all these things about carbon nanotubes, let's move on to some interesting facts about CNTs. CNTs are 200 times stronger than a steel of a same diameter. This is the first synthetic material to have a greater strength than a spider silk. It is also an excellent conductor of electricity and heat. Because of its very impressive properties, it can be used in energy storage as electrode in capacitor and batteries. It has proven itself a perfect choice as a drug delivery system, specifically in chemotherapy, because of its large inner volume offered by them that can be filled by chemical and biological materials. Its open mouth makes the inner surface accessible for modification. Carbon nanotubes are also best known field emitters because of their high electrical conductivity and the unbelievable sharpness of their tips. Carbon nanotubes have also found its place in solar cell. Scientists have developed the blackest black color using carbon nanotubes that can absorb nearly all light that can immensely improve the solar cell efficiency. Carbon nanotubes are not ready to stop here. It has also conquered the sports market. These days, badminton rackets manufacturing company Yonex started using carbon nanotubes because it has high strength and elasticity. Last but not the least, carbon nanotubes are being used to develop the flat screen TV, which is of highest resolution that human eye can detect. Such a nano-sized small material, but having so many applications, right? Thank you for watching the video till the end. Do comment your favorite application of nanotubes. Also hit the like button. Signing off for today. See you in the next video.